If you've ever worked with Lightning Datatables, you've probably come across an issue with styling your table's cells. Lightning Datatables allow you to specify a class for specific cells, however, only SLDS classes work. When adding your own custom class, nothing happens. This is because Salesforce scopes your custom classes in your CSS file to the LWC component at compile time. This is an issue because when you define a cell class in a Lightning Datatable, the class name in the markup is preserved. This means your custom class won't properly target your datatable cell. SLDS classes are not scoped to the LWC, which is why they work. There's a simple workaround for this. When loading CSS as a static resource, the class names are preserved and not scoped to your LWC. This means we can use custom classes on Lightning Datatables as long as your CSS is loaded through a static resource. Here, we see the same CSS that didn't work when part of our LWC now works when loaded through a static resource. With this, we can get creative with our styling. Let's look at an example. Say we want to color these opportunity amounts depending on if they are under $1,000 or over $10,000. For this, we can define the class cell attribute dynamically using a field on our object. When we load our data, we can iterate through it and add a CSS class depending on the amount. Next, we define the CSS classes in our static resource. It's worth mentioning, this can be dangerous since your CSS class will apply to the entire web page. Use unique names and avoid targeting HTML elements directly, or you may end up with unwanted styling outside of your component.